everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making an easy and classic burger recipe with a side of a special sauce. This recipe is very delicious and only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to make. I've also been a little bit off schedule because of school and things like that, but I'm trying my best to make new recipes for you guys each weekend. If you guys like the sound of this video, make sure to stay tuned.
Start off by taking your burger patties and seasoning them with garlic powder, black pepper, garlic salt, and steak dry rub. While you wait for your burger patties to marinate a little bit, you're going to slice a few pieces of tomato and wash a few pieces of spinach or lettuce. Now you're going to take out a large skillet and drizzle a little bit of oil. It depends on how many burger patties you're going to be cooking, but I just put about half a tablespoon. Make sure to cook your patties for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. To make the garlic butter, we're going to melt a few tablespoons of butter in the microwave. Then you're going to add either parsley or cilantro and minced garlic. For a little bit more of a garlicky taste, you can always add a sprinkle of garlic powder. Now spread a little bit of butter on each bread and toast them for a few minutes. To make our sauce, we're going to mix mayo and mustard in a small bowl. Then season it with a little bit of garlic salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Don't forget to melt your cheese on the patties before taking them out. Now build your burgers, starting with your patties, your mayo and mustard sauce, spinach, and tomatoes. you all so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos and recipes. Also make sure to turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I make a new video. If you guys like this recipe, make sure to try it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!